Yun nga sakit natin eh. And you were wondering bakit kanina we were discussing before the show, bakit ang Malaysia is getting so much tourist, tayo hindi, whereas maganda rin naman tayo, no? It's because of the branding. Kailan ba nagpalit ang Malaysia, Truly Asia? It's been their brand for years or decades, di ba? So, retention is important eh. And then you deliver the essence of the brand. Tayo hindi eh. Iba-iba essence ng brand natin eh. Litong-litong turista sa atin eh. Dati, wow, Philippines is more fun. Ngayon, love. No? Maganda naman yung word, di ba? Siyempre, love. It's like being care. Nandyan yung stewardship and care. But I think yung love can also be focused on the Filipinos themselves. The local governments, everyone that is responsible for taking care of destinations. Kung mahal talaga natin ang Pilipinas, gagawin natin yung mandate natin, gagawin natin yung responsibility natin na kahit tayo mismo nag-travel within our own country, naging turista tayo, hindi natin sisirain, that we will minimize our impact. Diba? Ang kaso, ugali natin, kung makakalusot, palulusutin eh. Kung walang naninita, diba? Gagawin natin, tapon tayo ng basura kung saan. Makakadismaya. So, I think that has to go beyond the brand, and the national government should really take the challenge of interpret natin yan sa baba. What is love of country, love of a destination, love of all these endowments na create ng kalikasan for millions of years? Ano ba yung love na yan?